Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I watch alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the halo of a half-street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eye was stopped by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sun of silence, and the night the light of soul, 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs the boy never shared, and no one there disturbed the sound of silence. Who said that you do not know? Cycle like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, that my arms that I might reach you, but my world like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. The people bowed and prayed to the neon God they made, and the sun flashed this warning in the words that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the suburb walls and tenant doors, and whisper in the sun